Okay, so I have a 2010 Volvo XC70 here, and I'm gonna replace alarm siren, which is right here. I got this one of a used car. It's a 2016 XC60 that it came out of, and hopefully this one is working as the car was working. So this is 2010, so you know, the battery died, and when I lock the car, then it randomly triggers the alarm. So usually that's a sign of bad battery. So on the XC70 2010, all I have to do is remove few screws, just these, torque 25 right here, and then there's two plastic nuts, 10mm right there, and then another one there, and then we have the torque here, and then I drop the fender liner, and the alarm siren is there, right there. You can see it's rusted. So I'm gonna remove these two screws right there, bolts right there, and I'm gonna get the siren out, and I'm gonna replace it with a new one. So yeah, I'm gonna get these bolts right there. It looks like 8. So I might have to use 2 hands for this one. Okay, so I loosened the 2 bolts. One is out. Let's do the other one. This one's a little bit farther. Let's see if I can get it now. Okay, it's out. Now I have to lift it because there's a thing here, and yeah, this one is out. Now I have to unplug it and replace it. Okay, so here's the old one. I got it out. The plug is a little bit tricky, so all you have to do with the plug, I use like a tool like this. So I put it inside there, and then I just heard it click, and I pull the plug. So here how it looks. Basically, these 2 pins have to be raised so the plug comes out. So now we have the old one here. I mean the old plug, and then I'm gonna plug a new siren and install it. Okay, so new sirens in. I replaced the bolts. The other ones were rusted, so there are new bolts, and all I have to do now is put the liner back, and all done. So yeah, shouldn't take much, half an hour maybe to do this. Not very difficult. All I did is raise the car a little bit, I didn't have to even remove the wheel. Okay, so I have all the screws in place right there. There's one right there, the plastic ones right here, and then all of them here. I use the small one, little one, so I don't have to remove a wheel, nothing, turn the wheel, it fits right there. And in the front too, it fits right there, you see? So yeah, all done.